Why is my car acting up again? Could it be the MAF sensor? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Automastery. My name is Nazim and today, we'll dive into a crucial aspect of car maintenance, the MAF sensor. This is the MAF sensor. If you're experiencing problems like the engine not getting enough power, rattling during driving, or increased fuel consumption, it might be due to a faulty MAF sensor. Its primary function is to manage the air and fuel ratio during drivability. It pulls air from the environment into the engine, while fuel comes from the other side. The MAF sensor is directly connected to the electronic control modules, ECM. It sends signals to the ECM, which then adjusts the fuel from the fuel pump to ensure the correct air-fuel mixture. When the MAF sensor works correctly, it helps maintain engine efficiency. Now, if the MAF sensor is faulty, repair costs can range from $450 to $550 at a mechanic shop. But how do you know if the MAF sensor is the issue? If you're driving on the freeway and notice your car isn't getting enough power or is showing hiccups, the MAF sensor might be the culprit. To check the MAF sensor, you'll need a screwdriver. While the engine is running, gently tap on the sensor. If you notice any change in RPMs, it means the sensor is likely faulty. Additionally, a faulty MAF sensor can trigger the check engine light on your dashboard. If your car is sluggish or not getting enough power, you might think it's due to spark plugs or ignition coils. However, it could be the MAF sensor. It plays a vital role in engine efficiency. Ignoring a faulty MAF sensor can lead to severe engine problems over time. When the MAF sensor fails, it sends incorrect readings to the ECM. The ECM won't be able to accurately measure how much air is coming in, leading to an improper air-fuel mixture. Sometimes there will be too much air, and other times too much fuel. This imbalance can prevent the pistons from burning the fuel properly, resulting in poor engine performance. So, if your car is showing these symptoms, it's worth checking the MAF sensor before heading to the mechanic. It could save you time and money. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more automotive tips. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.